Hey guys, it's NaturallyCha. My name is Charlotte. If this is the first video that you're watching of mine, I love to talk and promote natural hair. So definitely hit the subscribe button and also check out the other previous protective styles that I've also posted about. This video is more so just to say a quick thank you so much guys for your support, whether you're a new subscriber or you've been a subscriber, your comments, your thumbs up, your sharing the video. If you do that, I appreciate all of it. Your support is really empowering and helps me to keep going. So thank you so much. I wanted to also say real quick that I am sorry I've been kind of like not here or like posting often because I actually haven't had a phone for the past, today makes a week. So different things are happening and I had to kind of like shift focus. So anyway, thank you again for your patience and for your support. I have started getting a few emails on what products I use, so I thought I'd include that in this video too. So for those of you who have asked, I do the lock method. But lately, though, the past couple of months, I've started doing the LCO method. If you don't know what that means L stands for liquid or leave-in, O stands for oil, and C stands for cream. So I'll put the links below on these products so that you can see what they look like. L, I use Kinky Curly leave-in conditioner, Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner. It is kind of pricey, but I love it. Like, it defines your kinks, coils, curls, whatever you got, it defines it nicely. It has like a nice marshmallowy kind of scent to it also. And I like that. And then right after that, I'll put in my Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. That's C. Oops, I moved this. So I'm using my laptop to make this video because again I don't have like my equipment, but I just wanted to actually make a quick video for you guys, just to say thank you and then just to try and answer this quick question. So anyway, yeah, so I'll do the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie as my cream, and then after that I will go ahead and seal with oil, olive oil or castor oil, or sometimes both, where I'll mix them together and then apply it. So this is what I tend to do. Some people like lock method better, other people like LCO better. Whatever works for you, I think the best way for you to do it is to try it and see what works. I don't like long videos, but leave a comment below if you would like to see me share like maybe like my top 3 or 5 tips on growing natural hair. I do have these braids in, and I figured I would try to take it a little bit more of an advantage of trying to bring content to you guys. So again, leave a comment below on what you would like to see. If you want to know how I did these braids, they're single braids. I'm not going to call them box braids, but they're single braids. Let me know. I think I do have like a little bit of like footage that I can make like a quick tutorial for you guys. So anyway, again, I can't thank you enough, all of you guys. Please like, subscribe, thumbs up, share the video if you like it. And stay tuned for my next one. Bye.